We are drawing a Fischer's Lovebird today. We are creating a coloring book, African Critters Volume 3. This is, we probably got like four or five more to do on this book before we go to the dinosaur coloring book, which I'm really looking forward to. So the Lovebird, I was looking through the list of critters in Africa. And, you have your elephants, warthogs, and you got all your big guys. Then you got your birds. And this bird is really colorful. So when you get this coloring book, make sure you make it colorful and full of vibrant colors, whatever medium you use. It's a pretty bird. We're going to do a couple more birds for the African series. I feel like I neglect the birds a lot. We may do a whole bird series as well. Who knows what comes down the line. I don't think too far ahead. If you got any ideas, let me know in the comments. I'd appreciate it. And if you have anything you want to see drawn in a cartoonish but not funny style, but they're just usually pretty happy critters that I draw. Again, we go right into the inking pretty much. The pencil drawing part is not that exciting. It's more fun to watch it come to life. And in doing the research on the different pictures, of course, I pull up all the animal facts I can, because there's some really cool facts. These guys are they can become very tame and very affectionate. They can bond with their human companions. They do mate for life. I did read, and I think I knew that. Often feeding and grooming each other, so they're very loyal to each other. They have very strong beaks. They will shred anything that you got, so make sure if you have them, keep them under control. They don't talk like parrots. They chirp, squeak, and chatter constantly. So I don't know if that'd be a plus for having one, but they are cute and adorable. I did a night scene on this one just because I haven't done a night scene in a few. I like doing the moon. So here's my final drawing. I hope you have a great day, and thanks for joining in.